These are the bellwork answers for December 6th and 7th. On number 1, it's asking us to find the sum or difference of 2x squared plus 5x minus 1 plus x squared minus 5x plus 7. So the first thing I want to do is look at it and see, can I take away the parentheses? And I can, because there's no multiplying being done and it's addition, not subtraction. So I'm just going to go ahead and take out the parentheses and rewrite the equations. So I get 2x squared plus 5x minus 1 plus x squared minus 5x plus 7. And then we match up like terms. So we have 2x squared, and it has a like term over here with 1x squared. And we put them together, we'll get 3x squared. And then we have 5x, and its like term is negative 5x. Put those together and you end up with 0. And then lastly we have a negative 1 and a positive 7. Put those together and we get a positive 6. So we end up with 3x squared plus 6. On number 2, it's asking us to identify the slope in the y-intercept for 8y minus 2x equals 5. So what we want to do is make it in what's called slope-intercept form. So slope-intercept form. And what that is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is a y-intercept. So what it's going to require us to do is isolate the y variable. So we're going to first add 2x to both sides, and then we're going to end up dividing by 8. So we're going to add 2x, and we'll get 8y equals 2x plus 5. And then we're going to divide by 8. And we have to divide the whole right side by 8. So it's going to end up with is y equals 2x over 8 plus 5 over 8. And then if we simplify the 2x over 8, that's going to equal 1x over 4. And the 5 over 8 is already simplified. So our slope is going to be 1/4. So our slope is 1/4. And then our y-intercept is 5 over 8. On number 3, it's asking us to write an inequality where all real numbers that are greater than or equal to 22.5 and less than 3.5. So this one's going to kind of be split. So we're going to do, let's start with the greater than or equal to. So it's going to be x is greater than or equal to 22.5. And then we're going to have x is less than 3.5. So basically we want everything except for what's in between those two numbers. On number 4, it's asking us to find the distance between 9 and 6 and 4, 1. So we're going to do the distance formula. And it's going to be the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. And when we do that, all we have to do next is just plug in the numbers. And first let's assign them. So x2 will make this one, x1 will be this one, y2 will be this one, and y1 will be this one. Okay, so x2 was 4, x1 is 9, y2 is 1, y1 is 6, and then we'll do square root. So 4 minus 9 is negative 5, so we get negative 5 squared. Then 1 minus 6 is also negative 5. Okay, and then let's go ahead and do the exponents. So we get negative 5 squared is negative 5 times negative 5.